To enable and use voice typing for POCO M8 Pro 5G, first of all we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll all the way down and click on additional settings. After that we can go to languages and input and click on manage keyboard. Here select Gboard and then go to voice typing. Make sure that this option is active. You can also go for faster voice typing. This will download the dictation on your phone, which will occupy some space. I'm not sure how much, but what it does, it allows you to use voice typing offline. So now when we have that ready, we can go to the languages. Inside, make sure that you have added a language that you want to use for voice typing, that you can speak with. When everything is done, just pop open your keyboard. That way you can see the microphone button to begin voice typing. Make sure that the language that you're going to speak with is selected right here, and then click on this icon. Make sure also to allow any permissions that it will ask, and that way we'll begin the voice typing. So as you can see, I'm typing with my voice right here. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.